I'm Dr. Lottie Valentine, a physician, healer, evidential psychic medium, award-winning author, and ancestral healer. It's with immense joy that I share with you that I'm returning to the sacred space of the Theosophical Society for the third time to share my transformative course in ancestral healing on Saturday, January 20th, 2024. I invite you to join me for this immersive 2-hour masterclass titled Ancestral Healing, Unlocking the Doorway to Self-Realization. This masterclass will empower you to unearth the barriers hindering your fullest potential, and together we'll delve into the origins of these blocks, unraveling their threads within your life and ancestral lineage, illuminating pathways to resolution. So join me on Saturday, January 20th for this powerful online masterclass, where we will honor the past, illuminate the present, and forge an empowered future where our souls shine. You hold the key to unlocking the doorway to self-realization. I hope to see you there.